In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a free trial for Ubersuggest, a fantastic tool for SEO and keyword analysis. This free trial will enable you to explore and take advantage of Ubersuggest's premium features without spending a dime for the first 7 days. So let's dive right in and see how you can set this up easily. First things first, you'll need to navigate to the Ubersuggest pricing or free trial page. You can find this page easily on their official website. Once you're there, take a good look at the different subscription plans they offer. It's crucial to note that only monthly subscription plans qualify for the free trial, so make sure you're selecting one of those instead of the lifetime plan. The monthly plans are designed to provide enough flexibility while still giving you a taste of the tool's full potential. Once you've decided on a plan that suits your needs, you'll want to click the button labeled Start My Free Trial. This will begin the process of setting up your trial account. Now, if you don't already have an Ubersuggest account, you'll need to create one. The process is straightforward. You simply need to provide an email address and create a secure password. If you already have an account, you can log in and proceed to the next step. After setting up your account, you will be asked to enter your payment details. This step can surprise some people, but don't worry, this is standard procedure for most free trials. Another important thing to keep in mind, although the trial itself is free, a valid payment method like a credit card or PayPal account is still required. This information helps ensure a smooth transition into a paid subscription if you decide to continue using Ubersuggest after your trial period ends. Once you've entered your payment information and completed the sign-up process, you will have full access to all the premium features that Ubersuggest has to offer for a full 7 days. This includes advanced SEO tools, competitor analysis, keyword suggestions, and more. It's a great opportunity to get a deep dive into the functionalities that might benefit your SEO strategies. Remember, if you decide Ubersuggest isn't for you after all, make sure to cancel your subscription before the trial period ends to avoid any charges. Take this time to explore as much as possible and discover what this tool can do for your projects. And there you have it. You're now ready to take full advantage of Ubersuggest's 7-day free trial. Enjoy your exploration, and may your SEO journey be fruitful and enlightening. Make sure to hit like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.